Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new RC airplane.
This RC plane has a built-in 6-axis gyroscope that's able to maintain stability and directional control. It's also going to be easy to control even for beginners in flying. And it comes with two 350 mAh 3.7 volt replaceable batteries, so it's going to make flying the experience extremely enjoyable. The packaging even includes multiple replacement parts, so if anything breaks or gets worn out, you can easily replace it and keep on flying. The RC airplane has built-in dual motors to ensure great power while also saving battery life. This 3-channel RC airplane also has different takeoff modes, sliding off or hand throwing takeoff, so it's going to provide pilots with different flying experiences. And you can also control the remote control with just 3 AAA batteries. This RC airplane is made of highly resilient and durable EPP foam, and it can withstand large bumps and impacts. It's easy to take off from the ground, and it's a blast to fly. This will be a great addition to your toy collection, or it will make a great gift for anyone in your family. This fighter airplane model is going to be great for all age levels, and it can have a high flying range as well.